everybody, hi YouTube fam. I know it has been a very long time since you heard from me. Oh my goodness, it's been a long time, but I have a lot of things to tell y'all. First, I want to thank all my YouTube subscribers. Those I didn't get a chance to actually personally thank you. I want to say thank you all for subscribing to me and my channel. And I want to thank all my customers, those who have purchased products, wigs, and continue to purchase. I'm so grateful to you all, and I let you know that I do pray for you all. So I'm grateful to you, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I have some good news, and got some great things coming up I want to let you know about. I have another video I want to do for my girl Vicky. She actually, the earrings that I'm rocking are earrings that I actually got from her new business that she started. She has a business, and I will get into that more. The ring as well. I have more products that I have gotten from her, and I will let you know more about it. But right now, I want to kind of let you know what's going on with me. How about I show you what's going on with me? Okay, hold on. Okay, this is it. Yes, I am pregnant. My profile picture. I am, guess how many months I am? I'm really big, so you'd be shocked to know that I am 4 months pregnant. Right now I'm 18 weeks. And this baby has been a trip. I have been sick with this one. My little girl, I wasn't sick with her. But yes, I am 4 months pregnant, and I am having a little boy. So I'm very blessed. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I'm trying to make sure I'm in the camera view. But that was one of my surprises. I wanted to let you know that yes, I am pregnant. You know, me and my husband, we are very blessed to be able to have another child and to be able to have our little girl, and I'm now having our little boy. So it's been a blessing. But with this little boy, I have been really sick, so I knew that, okay, I wasn't like that with my daughter. And I've been having my days, you know. Some days I'm okay, some days I'm, like, don't mess with me. So I have my moments and I have my days. So today is a pretty good day. So that's the reason why I'm like, let me get this video done while I have a good day. Because every day is not always a good day. Another thing I want to say is I celebrated my 8-year anniversary. I've been married for 8 years, and that was October 9th. That was true blessing. Recently found out that I'm having a baby boy, and I have a birthday coming up. 11/11/11. My birthday is November 11th. So what I want to do is I'm thinking about getting all these things together. So I'm praying everything works out, and I'm feeling okay to be able to do this. But I want to have a contest where you rock your favorite hairstyle, and in this contest you will have to actually like my Facebook page, and you will send pictures to my email address, and I will actually have a folder, and I will post everything on Facebook. The way it works is you like the picture, you can like the picture, and you get your friends to like the picture. How many people, however has the most likes under that picture is the winner, and you will win products from Sharita's Hair Temple. And also I'm thinking about maybe doing a video one as well. So there might be 2 winners. So I might do that, and keep your thumbs up, thumb down button up, so whoever gets the most thumbs up win a prize as well. So I might do that as well. So I will let you know. I will give you more details. I'll try to do more videos. I'll try to do another video. I don't know how many more videos I do until after I have this baby. It depends on how I'm feeling. But I will be doing another one after this one for my girl, Vicky. Because she's so special. She's such a beautiful person, inside and out. But another thing is, I guess that's it, really. Like, you know how it is when you're pregnant, you're trying to remember stuff, your mind just be like everywhere. So I be trying to like have to start writing things down and things like that. But that's basically what's going on with me. For those who want to know, okay, she's not making videos, what is she doing? I am working on my business as, you know, as I was before. I have, you know, I have to try to get that done. I have wig orders that I've been completing. So if you haven't heard from me, that is the reason why. This is a wig that I made for myself. And I actually had a dream about this wig, and so I just made it, and I decided to do a different color, strawberry blonde. So I hope the strawberry blonde looks nice on me. My husband really likes it, so that's all that matters. And I like it, so that's what really matters. And so I did this, and plus with this baby, I just been really hot, just really hot. So the short style, I'm really loving this side, but this side, I'm just ready to chop it all off, because I'm really hot. And that's not me. I'm the kind of person I don't like to be cold. So it's like I'm opposite with this baby than I was with my first one. So let me turn around so you can see how it looks. And I've been wearing it for a while. I haven't recurled it, so my curls might be a little outdated a little bit because I've been wearing it for a little bit. So yeah, that's it. That's all I have for y'all. So I hope you enjoy my little baby bump. It's not a little baby bump, it's a big baby bump. Yeah, this baby pushes me out. When I was pregnant with my little girl, it was more like round everywhere. This one I'm more pushed out. I noticed I started gaining a little weight on my hips. Like at first, like everything fit, except for when it came to my stomach part. But now I'm noticing like things are starting to get tight. Like I can get them up, but it's starting to get tight around my hips area. So I'm like, uh-oh, I'm 4 months. I better watch out. So I need to do some more workout. I gotta work it out. And with my little girl, before I had her, I was almost 200 pounds, like 198. So I don't want to get like that, and my face is really fat. I don't know if y'all can tell just by my face, if you can tell I had gained weight. I can tell a little bit that my face is kind of getting there. With my little girl, my nose is like really round, big, just in my face. Had blew up so big. So this one, I'm trying to do better. I really do eat a lot. Like I have to eat. This baby loves meat, so I'm just eating meat like crazy. So I gotta do better. Okay, I don't want to hold anybody up. So I hope you enjoy my video, and please comment, rate, you know, whatever. I'll take comments. It don't matter. Just, you know, if you want to comment, please forgive me if it might take me a little bit to comment. Depends on how I'm feeling, and I had to just take that day and try to respond to all the comments. So please forgive me, everybody, for my delay on videos and everything. But thank you again for subscribing and everything. Please check out my website and have a blessed day. God bless. Bye-bye.